Do people remember your brand, or have they forgotten about it within just a few minutes? So many people start a brand, or what they think is a brand, and they struggle to get any traction because no one really remembers them. They don't stand out from the crowd. Today, I want to help your brand to stand out. Because of course, this is the series where I give you a tip that you can apply to your e-commerce business to help you move it forward. No snake oil, no black hat. Just solid, been there, done that advice. I'm Ben Leonard, and I built, scaled, and sold an international 7-figure e-commerce business. This is Ecom Made Easy. When I ask, how do you make your brand stand out and be remembered? You might say, logo, slogan, colors. Those are all really important, but people really remember brands that are useful to them. In earlier episodes, I talked about making sure your brand and products solve problems and help people to get ahead in their lives. You can have the coolest logo, the coolest name, the best color scheme, the cutest brand mascot, whatever. But if your brand doesn't really do anything useful, no one will care or remember. Or more importantly, if you don't convey that you do anything really useful, no one's going to care or remember. And so your brand needs to answer that question, right? How is this product useful? You need to say that in your emails, your social posts, your video, your packaging, and on your website. You see, humans are hardwired to be transactional. We like and we value people, brands, services, products that are useful to us. So my tip today is to make sure that your business clearly conveys how it is useful to potential customers. And make sure that we all understand that within just a few seconds of hearing about your brand, whether that's landing on your website, your social media page, or seeing you in an ad. Get that part right, and then you've earned the right to have a fancy logo. So go double check all your marketing material and make sure that it clearly and simply tells us how your brand is useful to us. I hope that was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can get more at www.benleonard.pro. Cheers.